As a content creator, you should have all these tools on your phone. CapCut, Canvas, Pinterest, in short, name them. It's a must to have on your phone, honestly. But let me leave that. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a catchy thumbnail using CapCut. Yes, using CapCut. I use CapCut, I use Canvas, but today I'm going to be focusing on CapCut. See, CapCut has amazing features, like amazing features that you will be amazed by it. So come with me, let me show you how to create one. Thank you. And guys, please, if you see ads on my video, please don't skip it. If up to now you've not watched, if up to now you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe so you get notification when my video pops up. And if you subscribe already, you know I love you. So guys, we are going to go to CapCut. We click on CapCut, you see a new project. We'll pick new project. So we click here. I said how to create catchy thumbnail, or how to create thumbnail using CapCut. So I'm going to use this one as like my background. You can also have different background if you want. I'm going to be using this background as it is like this, but this background that it is, I don't like this like this. I want to blur it a little. So we'll go to effect, we'll go to effect, so we'll go to video effect. Then I love to go to, I don't like, I want to use the lens, so I click on the lens. Then I look at the option of blur, motion blur or something. So I love this chrome blur, this one here. So I'm going to click on it, so you can see that it has blurred it a little. So I'm going to click on for it to save, right? So it's already blurred a little. So now I'm going to bring out the image or anything I want to add to it. So when you are going to do that, now you're going to click overlay, then you add overlay to lay it on. So I'm going to look for a video, a picture for my thumbnail. This is what I want to use for my thumbnail already. So this is it. I've already done the background already before now, because I wanted to create a thumbnail. So I've already done the background already. So now let me delete it and show you, if you don't want, if you have a background and you want to remove the background. So you click on this place. Let me see if this one now is already here. There's a background already. You click on it. So you can see the background now. So you still go back to this place and say remove background. Remove BG is background. Remove background. So you just click on it and you click done. You can see that the background is removed. So now you can now put your picture whatever position you want to put it on. Whatever you want to put it on, you can create it like this. You can size it and every other thing here. I want to put it here or in the middle here. Then from there you go to your text. But mind you, again, any video, anything you want to do, any image you want to input on it, you should always take note of overlay. Click on the overlay, not just upload it on this plus sign here. If you click on this plus sign, you're just going to bring an image like beside background picture. So always click on overlay so that it will come on top of it. So let me give you an example. You click on overlay, you add overlay. So let me bring this one here, you add it. So you can see that I've kept something here already. Then if you want to size it, just use your two fingers to minimize it. Use your two fingers to minimize it to whatever form you want. But I'm not going to use this. I'm just using it based on the class, as I'm teaching you, I'm using this because YouTube is already showing it, so I don't need it here. But I'm just telling you that anything you want to bring up, just take note of add overlay to it. That's all. So we are going to the text now. So the text is very important when you are creating your thumbnail. You see enter text, then how to create a catchy a catchy thumbnail. So take note of this something, this sign here, this is just for you to minimize it. Just keep pressing it and it will keep moving. So but if you want to divide it, because I don't want it to be this long, so I will just use this one and click on enter. So it has come to this place for me. It depends on what you want, but this is it. But I'm not okay with this font, so I will just go with the style. I will click on which style I want, the sizes. And if you want to reduce this letter, you can click here, and if you want to minimize it, you can press the size too, or you do it the way I did it the other way. I don't know if you can see that, but you just click here and minimize it, or you just the size here, you just press it, whichever one you want. So now I'm going to be going with the font. I like the flexible majesty anyone. I'm going to be going with this one, or I'm going to be going with this. I'm going to be going with this. I don't know, but I'm going to reduce the font. Yeah, so that's all. Then the effect. Just when you click on the effect, use basic. You can use luminance or multicolored. Use this one. You can use luminant art. You can use whichever font you want, multicolor. Just keep playing with your words and every other thing, different colors. CapCut has a lot of different art colors that you can use. That's why I think it's, for me, it's still okay with than what they call it, canvas, because it has a lot, look at it, a lot of colors, artwork. If it's yellow, you just want to create, how to create whatever way you want it. And if you're not okay with it, you can keep entering like this. If you're not okay with how it is, you can keep doing it like this. How to create, just enter and whatever, how to create, how to create a catchy whatever, whichever one you want, just keep doing it. That's how to create a catchy thumbnail using CapCut. It's so easy. Then when you are done with it, you can just screenshot it. I always screenshot, can screenshot it, and you've gotten it like that. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel once again. See you in my next video. Bye.